Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam. Finger is part and parcel of my body.
Yes.
But its business is to serve the body. I ask the finger, come here.
Yes.
It is doing like that.
Yes.
I ask the finger to come here.
Yes.
The finger. So it is the business of the finger
Yes.
is to serve
Yes.
the whole.
Yes.
It is part and the body is the whole.
Yes.
So therefore, the business of the part and parcel is to serve, render service to the whole. This is natural condition.
Yes.
C'est la condition naturelle de partie, de rendre service au complet.
Yes. I agree with this.
Let me finish.
Yes. And I think that the vocation of its creature is the service of God.
Yes.
Yes. The service
So
of God.
when the living entity forgets this business, that is material life.
That is. Oui. Quand il n'y a pas ce service, oui.
Quand l'être vivant oublie.
C'est ça, c'est alors c'est le mal. Alors c'est ça. Alors c'est ça.
Therefore in this material world,
Yes.
we find almost everyone
Yes.
has forgotten God.
Donc dans le monde matériel, nous trouvons c'est tout le monde qui a oublié Dieu.
C'est cela.
The conclusion is that this material world is created for the forgotten souls.
La conclusion, c'est que ce monde matériel existe seulement pour les âmes qui ont oublié leur relation avec Dieu.
Yes.
And here the business is to again revive them to God consciousness.
Et notre devoir dans ce monde, c'est de raviver cette conscience.
de Dieu. Yes.
So the process of enlightening the living entity, especially the human being, because in the animal form of life, one cannot be enlightened. Neither the animal can understand
Yes.
what is God.
Yes.
It is only the human
Yes.
being
Yes.
who can understand. If he
Yes.
is trained,
Yes. It's true.
then he can come to God consciousness.
Yes. It is true.
So this creation is meant for the forgotten souls,
Yes.
to give them a chance
Yes.
for reviving their God consciousness.
Yes.
C'est clair?
Yes, it is true. It is very clear. Very clear.
And for this business, sometimes God personally comes, sometimes He sends His representative, His son, or His devotee, His servant. This is going on.
Yes.
God wants that these forgotten souls
Yes.
should come back to home, back to God.
Yes. Return. Yes.
Therefore, from His side,
Yes.
there is constant endeavor
Yes.
to revive their God consciousness.
Yes. Yes. Very conscious.
Now, this God consciousness can be awakened in the human form of life,
Yes.
not in other form.
Not to deserve. Yes.
Maybe very rarely, but the human being, what is the water?
You said he was coming with me.
The human being has got the prerogative
Yes.
to awaken his dormant God consciousness.
Yes.
C'est le droit exclusif de l'être humain.
Yes.
So the best service to humanity is to awaken their God consciousness.
Yes, it is true.
It is best service. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna.